Hello, and what is up, my meat-covered skeletons? Today, this is gonna be Whatever Floats Your Boat, episode 6? Yeah, episode 6. Now, today's episode, you might be wondering, why is there absolutely bloody nothing in the map? Well, if you people actually use your memory cells in your brain, you will recall that I am doing a building episode today, which means no fighting, just boring building. And because I have 9,000 money, and I get XP and money if I don't die, which I don't think I can die unless I drown myself, because there's going to be practically nothing me attacking me, unless my friend Alfie decides to come online and start screwing things up as normal. But without any ado, let's get started. So, for a boat today, I need it to be effective. And I mean that. It needs to be strong, sturdy, and not break in short terms. And I'm thinking about how I'm going to go about doing this. I'm thinking about how hard it's going to be, or just generally how I'm going to go about doing it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it pointy. So if I do it like that, yeah, that's even. That is not even. Can I use more steel armor plates? Now, luckily, the armor is really cheap. It's only 10. So, looks good enough. That's qualifiable. I think every 3. Wait a minute, I might be wrong. So, I think these small armor plates, if you get 3 of them, it equals to 1 normal sized. I'm not actually sure. All I can tell is this boat design doesn't look the greatest. Because it kind of sticks out there kind of awkwardly and it doesn't look very good. This will take some tinkering. You have 8 minutes, and I can always extend it to the next episode. But if you want me to, build a new boat, or you want me to actually get some proper kills, then this is what we're going to have to do. Only way. Okay, I cannot stand it. I'm just going to have to swim. It's kind of sad there isn't more in the Whatever Floats Your Boat map. Okay, that was just some sad placement skills right there. I wish there was kind of more to do in the game other than just kill people. I mean, there are cannons and stuff in the game, so like you can shoot people down with cannons. But other than that, there really isn't that much. Which is kind of annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna place it down like that. Or should I do it differently? Oh man, I need to get a small belt armor. If I place it like that, and then I get a large, and then I try to tilt it, will that work? Or it's really annoying to actually configure it, because steel armor is naturally heavy, and that's a problem. Okay, this is already a little bit heavy. Let me just put some more plates on it. As I said, this is just like a beginning boat. I mean, this is going to be like our first official boat that I'm actually going to make and probably going to use consistently for a couple of episodes. Okay. So, one of the things I've seen other people do in this game is I've seen them bend their armor. Like, I don't know if it was the second episode, the third episode, or the first episode. Remember when we saw that person that had a tank? If I show you the angles and how you place armor, let's just get a bit of steel. Right, you have R, which rotates it. You have T that twists it, and Y that's pivots it. R is rotate. T is to twist it, which practically does the same thing by the looks of it. And with Y that just spins it around. So, depending on what the position of the armor is, the R TY will decide which way it's placed. It's actually really annoying at times to find the correct angle for your armor. Like, it's really frustrating. Oh, this doesn't look that bad. That's a little bit of a curve. Not bad though, not bad. Good for beginners. Level 11. Yeah. So we're just gonna put some steel armor. Oh yeah, another tip in building boats. Don't do this. This is what I'm doing right here. See how messy this looks? So, it protects, but you don't want your boat looking like that. I mean, make it nice and even, make it nice and flat and smooth. Don't have what's the word? Kind of like random bits of armor sticking out. Or just try to make it as smooth, elegant, and symmetrical as possible. Because if you don't do that, your boat might become one side heavy, or it'll generally look ugly, and no one wants an ugly boat. You don't want an ugly boat. You don't want people to think, hey, that's the guy with the ugly boat. No, you don't want that. You want to have a nice, cool looking designed boat. I mean, this one's pretty simple, but there you go, I'm a low level, so it's perfect. So if you're new to this game or whatever, try to go for simple boats. When you're first starting, you can't really do anything elegant. You remember me in the first episode. I was like, there was ice plates on it randomly. It